celebrate today's launch with a short discussion between all our panelists. And I'm going to start naturally with our author this evening. To Aspal, first of all, why yoga for women? And are there specific benefits that women get from yoga? What is it that's special for them?
First of all, I would just like to thank everyone sitting here today who has been able to make it to this event, in spite of the rains happening outside. And I know each one sitting here today is a well-wisher of mine. That's why they've been able to make it here. Thank you very much. Thank you to all my celebrity friends who are sitting here, without whom this event, this book, would have never been possible. Thank you, Tamanna. Thank you, Tushar. You all have been a very important part of my life. And especially each one of you. Not because these are celebrity friends and they are important. Each one of you sitting here is an important part of my life. So thank you once again. And for the woman, sorry Tushar, it's a woman-centric book.
Let my turn come. Wait.
The first book was very yoga motivational book. So I was just happen at about 10 days of writing the book. And in that I spoke more about fitness, and I had all my clients there who could speak about yoga, fitness. So I had everybody in that book, and everybody got motivated towards doing yoga. My second book was inspirational of the first. Because once my book released, I had people telling me, Payal, we're really going through issues. We are having thyroid issues. We don't know how to deal with it. We are getting fatter with thyroid, and we just don't know how to control it. I had people going into their menopause at that time, and they were like, why haven't you written anything about the causes that a woman goes through? And I had my friends who were 30, 35, were unfortunately unable to conceive. So that was one of the things that really got me thinking as to why not. The second book would be absolutely essential to be, I wouldn't call all of these, they are diseases, but you can cure it through yoga. There is a way. So that's why the second book happened, and I have tried and addressed every age group in this book, right from the age of 15 to, 65 plus. So every decade, a woman's body changes. Each woman sitting here will agree to this, because you say 15, 25, girls are going through puberty, they're having, girls are having gray hair at 20, which I am coming across, and which is really sad. Then from 25, 35 is relationships, marriage, childbearing. Because you're getting married after 30, 35, infertility walks in. Women are menopausing much earlier than they used to. Earlier, I hear my mom saying menopause at about 55. Today, girls are menopausing at 35. I have certain issues coming up to me. So these are things that are dealt in this book, and all we women going through menopause. I'm going to be 40 on 7th of July. And I know what I'm going through. I've worked out all my life, but trust me, I am going through the normal changes a woman's body goes through. So this is a book for all the women, dedicated to all the women, actually.
Yeah. So I think, as you say, one of the things is that yoga can give benefits not only for actual health conditions, but then for stress, for all kinds of emotional sorts of things. Tamanna, I was just wondering, what sort of benefits do you think you get from doing yoga? What does it give you specifically?
Hello, everyone. There's so many minor problems that we've all gotten so used to living with, like a headache, a stomachache, stress, after effects of stress, not getting sleep. These things have become normal. We don't even look at it as a problem anymore because it's become so common. But I think what yoga actually does is it eradicates these things, and that's when you realize that actually life is supposed to be of a much better quality. So I think after doing about 3 months of yoga regularly, I've experienced that these problems that used to exist in a young girl like me, which ideally shouldn't be there, I don't experience them anymore. As also when you're stressed out, you tend to eat all wrong, and you eat all because you want to just deal with all your stress. So a chocolate goes into your mouth because that's what makes you feel the best at that point of time. But I felt that once I started doing yoga, my cravings just kind of vanished. I don't feel those cravings anymore. So I think yoga actually deals with a lot of your basic issues, which are your day-to-day issues, and that's how it's helped me.
And Jashar, obviously this is a book, Yoga for Women, but yoga has benefits which can be seen for you for men as well. How did you start with yoga? I mean, you were working out normally with weights and in the gym. How did you then come to yoga?
महिलाओं से महिलाओं के बारे में बहुत सुन लिया अभी बहुत हो गया. Payal, you thanked everybody, but you didn't thank your husband. You should be thanking him. Because although this book is about yoga for women, he introduced me to yoga for men. So a huge round of applause for Manish. But I believe he has trained you also. He's trained you? Yeah. So now I'm looking forward to another book soon from him. Yoga for men. Though I feel the benefits are pretty much the same. We also have our problems. We also have stress. We also have unnecessary stress. And I started doing yoga in 2010. I was on an outdoor for Golmaal 3, and my co-star Karina, she introduced me to Payal, and she forced me to just try once. And I did, and it was hell. I couldn't do one Surya Namaskar, I remember. The real way. I mean, I used to do Surya Namaskar my way, the gym way, but I couldn't do it her way. And then I did it, and I said, oh my God, this is... And then it just got into my system slowly.
What made you go back for more after?
I think the peace of mind, just the feeling of, just being calmer, feeling more liberated, more confident. And I just got addicted to it. And it's also about flexibility. For us actors, we need to dance, so we need to be flexible at any given point of time. Considering I do a lot of weight training, so it makes me very stiff. So I think the yoga I did with Manish and Payal has made me more flexible than before. I will never stop doing the yoga. The yoga for men shall rule.
Yoga for everybody, I think. And so thinking about yoga, Tamana, you obviously have an incredibly hectic schedule. You're either filming, you're promoting, you're acting. How do you fit it in, and how do you kind of find the peace of mind in there? And does Payal kind of, what kind of teacher is she? Does she force you to do sessions?
It's ये बहुत ही एक बात है कि हम सब बोलते हैं हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है, सबके पास टाइम होता है, वो टाइम बनाना पड़ता है. बिकॉज आजकल आप एक्टर हो या आप कुछ भी काम कर रहे हो, आवर लाइव्स आर हेक्टिक व्हाटएवर वी डू. सो आई थिंक द होल आइडिया ऑफ सेइंग कि टाइम नहीं है इज लाइक द वर्स्ट एक्सक्यूज दैट यू डोंट हैव टाइम. Payal is a very strict teacher, and that's precisely why I came to her. I wanted her to be strict with me. I wanted her to teach me yoga in a very holistic and in a very traditional way. So Payal, I have one request. I want to be able to do yoga like those women, those beautiful, gorgeous women who just did it here right now. And that's my my aim, my goal.
Yeah, although I was going to say, Payal, actually, obviously, those women were absolutely incredible. But the book is more accessible than that. Just if somebody, say in this room, actually hasn't done yoga with you, although I assume everybody has, where do you think, where should they start with yoga? How do they start bringing it into their lives?
See, the whole thing is that you just need to start. It's important that you start off with 3 times a week of yoga if you've never done yoga in your life. Apart from everything else that you do, I am not against gymming or walking or any form of exercise, any form of sport.
Are you against alcohol?
No, I'm not. That also in moderation is all fine. So I'm not against anything. But I just wish that each one, like tomorrow is World International Yoga Day, which has been introduced by our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi. And I think it's wonderful what is happening, because at least one day, if people have not done yoga, would at least think about yoga and talk about yoga. And I feel even talking about yoga is going to make a difference. It is going to make a difference. So if they say yoga, so they will start saying, chalo, ek din to kare yoga. Agar puri saal bhi nahi kiya, ek din, that one day will change you. So you can imagine if you do it every day in your life, what is going to change. Everybody should do yoga.
Okay, I'm going to open it up to questions in a minute, so you will have a chance to ask our panel. But with one final question, what are you going to be doing to celebrate tomorrow? And also, what next? Is it going to be yoga for men, yoga for children, yoga? What's the next book on the plans?
Tomorrow I'm a little busy, apparently. I don't know why, but yeah, I have some shoots in the morning for World Yoga Day, and I'm at the Crosswords tomorrow releasing my book. I have some particular classes, and like Tushar said, Manish should write a book next on men, because trust me, it's not only the women, the men also have certain issues. So where is Manish? He should be writing a book on yoga for men. So maybe that would be our next book together, as Tushar said. And the next would be a book on pregnancy. The next book is already out, going on talks, pregnancy. It's a book for children. So it's just the beginning. Thank you very much.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much, everybody, for being here. Once again, I want to take the opportunity to now wish Payal congratulations on her formally launched book. And hopefully this time next year, on next International Yoga Day, we're launching either yoga for men or pregnancy, children. I think we've got a whole annual, mark this date in your diary annually for the next few years. Thank you very much, Tamana, and also to Shah for coming and joining us today, taking time out of your schedules. Thank you again all for battling the weather. Please do join us. There's tea, etc. outside, and obviously copies of the book are for sale as well. Oh, sorry, I'm being signalled. And we also have gifts for...
Well, 21st of June is now Yoga Day, International Yoga Day. So quite excited about that. मैं खुद योगा प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ पिछले 2.5 months से रेगुलरली प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ एंड मैं पायल से मिली एंड पायल मुझे ट्रेन कर रही थी एंड एज शी स्टार्टेड ट्रेनिंग मी एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड फीलिंग अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस इन योगा इज द ओनली वन फिजिकल एक्टिविटी आई थिंक जो आपको सिर्फ फिजिकली नहीं बट मेंटली भी इफेक्ट करता है सो आई एम टोटली फॉर doing yoga as a daily thing, like how हम जैसे ब्रश करते हैं या खाना खाते हैं सपोज जून बना के भूल जाने की बात नहीं है एक्चुअली समथिंग यू incorporate in your day-to-day life. And coming to Body Goddess, which is Payal's book, it's very much written for women. And एक औरत हर 10 साल goes through a lot of changes physically, a lot of hormonal changes. So like बचपन में is the puberty that you go.
योगा डे एक दिन पहले आप ये बुक लॉन्च कर रहे हैं तो कैसा फील हो रहा है?
मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि मैंने जैसे बोलते हैं ना एक बूंद समुद्र में आप दे सकते हैं वो एक बूंद की कोशिश की है मैंने और अगर सबको बुक अच्छी लगी बॉडी गॉडेस इट विल बी लाइक थोड़ा सा कंट्रीब्यूशन योगा की तरफ मेरी तरफ से।
आपने अपने बुक लॉन्च के लिए तमन्ना जी को बुलाया है तो रीज़न क्या है इसके पीछे?
क्योंकि इनको योगा ये जो है ना योगा सब करते हैं लेकिन वो होलिस्टिक फील जो है ना तमन्ना गेट्स इट आउट। वो बोलती हैं कि योगा कीजिए आपको हेल्दी लगेगा यू कैन लिव अ गुड लाइफस्टाइल आप चेंज फूड आप चेंज कर सकते हो सब कुछ लेकिन इट्स विथ हर इट्स लाइक व्हेन शी केम टू मी शी वाज द ओनली स्टूडेंट आई हैव बीन वर्किंग फॉर 12 years अभी मुझे योगा सिखाते हो गया बट आई हैव नेवर कम अक्रॉस अ स्टूडेंट टेलिंग मी पायल आई डोंट वांट टू लूज वेट मुझे अच्छा भी दिखना है आई वांट टू फील गुड एंड आई वांट टू लर्न द राइट ट्रेडिशनल होलिस्टिक वे ऑफ योगा एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई गॉट फ्रॉम हर व्हिच आई फेल सो गुड एंड जब आपके सामने एक स्टूडेंट ऐसे बोलता है ना आप बेहतर करना चाहते हैं यू गेट द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ यू सो शी गेट्स द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ मी सो आई लव टू टीच हर यू नो आई गेट टू लर्न मोर बिकॉज यू आर ऑल्सो थिंकिंग ऑल द टाइम सो दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट टू गिव हर द बेस्ट।
जी आप कितने वाकिफ रखते हो जो आपकी मैम ने कहा है?
नो बिल्कुल जब मैं पायल के पास आई थी तो आई वांटेड टू इनफैक्ट आई वाज सर्चिंग फॉर अ टीचर who wasn't commercial about yoga but at the same time wanted to really teach me the small things that actually जो मेरे लाइफ के मेरे रेगुलर लाइफ में मुझे मदद करे and like she said it's yoga will also actually kind of affect the way you eat like after I started doing yoga regularly I just don't enjoy junk anymore. I don't enjoy junk food because your body will reject.
It will reject.
It will simply
realize
reject.
it, Tamanna, that you've been doing yoga now. It's a little time, 2.5, 3 months. Say she's been regular. She's going to go a long way with yoga. That I can guarantee for sure. And when she says she's throwing it out of her system, it's her system, not mentally, but she herself is going to throw it. Mind will say, I don't want to do it. And she will start realizing she's getting so much calmer, so much better, so much fitter from inside. Externally, you will see her beautiful. Anyway, she's very pretty. So, but you will see a lovely change internally out of her. She will see it in her work. She'll see it in a regular lifestyle as well.
You know, Payal, I've seen lots of people I know. For them, today thyroid and PCOD sounds like the most common. It's like cough and cold, unfortunately. But I think yoga is one thing that actually prevents a lot of this, and even to some extent can help heal.
Heal a lot. You know, yoga can do a lot to you. Basically, there's no other kind form of exercise that you can do and cure a disease, but yoga can do it to you. People with thyroid can stop taking their thyroid medicines. Yeah, only thing is diabetes is something, if you're on insulin, you might stop taking an insulin, but one thing is there, a diabetic always will remain a diabetic.
Yeah.
I don't say it will cure it. Yeah, if you've never had diabetes and you've been doing yoga, yes, in the family history, you might not get diabetes if you've been doing yoga for a long time. But that, that myth, that notion is a little wrong. So I'm just trying to clear that as well. But lots of other diseases other than diabetes can be cured completely.
बताया कि वुमेंस के लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होने वाली है। जैसे डेली लाइफ में वुमेंस की हर मंथ कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, तो वो सब की क्योर के लिए इस बुक में
बिल्कुल, इस बुक में आपको, जैसे मैं कहूँगी, थायराइड उन्होंने कहा, डायबिटीज़, फिर PCOD, ओबेसिटी, जुवेनाइल डायबिटीज़, बहुत आजकल प्रेगनेंसी में हो जाता है लोगों को, जुवेनाइल डायबिटीज़, बच्चों में हो रहा है जुवेनाइल डायबिटीज़, तो उसका सब क्योर है इसमें। मेनोपॉज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इनफर्टिलिटी, तो इन सब का क्योर है इस किताब में। अगर आप इस किताब फॉलो करेंगे तो आपको हर एक चीज़ का क्योर मिलेगा। ग्लोइंग स्किन, लोगों को चाहिए कि एकदम स्किन एकदम अच्छी लगे, उसका भी है इसमें योग।
जैसे आपने बाहुबली की 5-6 kg लूज किए थे, तो उसके बाद से आपने ये स्टार्ट कर दिया था योगा करना?
नहीं, एक्चुअली काफ़ी लोग को गलत फहमी कि आई लॉस्ट वेट फॉर बाहुबली, आई टू पुट ऑन वेट फॉर बाहुबली बिकॉज आई एम वर्किंग विद एन एक्टर हु 6'3". So I was looking like little small next to him, so I had to just look a little bit of warrior type because I'm playing a warrior in the film. So, but yeah, I mean, see again, I think there's a lot of obsession about the number of kgs on your body, but I don't think people look at the whole overall thing, which is feeling good and feeling healthy and feeling fit. Fitness and being thin they're two totally different things. Just
so, as an actor, what do you prefer most, gym or yoga?
For me, yoga is a constant. Gym, I'll do, I might stop, I might, it'll keep varying because you cannot keep doing the same thing all your life. जैसे आप हर दिन दाल चावल नहीं खा सकते, आपको कुछ बदलना पड़ेगा. Similarly, you need to keep changing your kind of workout. But yoga is, I don't look at it just like a workout. For me, it's more how it makes me feel. So
like जैसे कि कल 21 जून इंटरनेशनल योगा डे, क्या प्लान है आपके?
कुछ नहीं. I think as usual, see, हम लोग के लिए हर दिन 21 जून है. पहली बात, जो लोग योगा करते हैं उनके लिए हर दिन 21 जून है. ये बाकी लोगों के जिन्होंने अब तक एक्सपायर नहीं हुए हैं,
तो उनके लिए 21 है. जैसे मिस्टर मोदी हैज़ पुट इन अ डे फॉर योगा, तो जिन्होंने कभी योगा नहीं किया उनके लिए ये बहुत अच्छा दिन है टू स्टार्ट ऑफ, बिकॉज देयर इज नेवर एन एज. आपको एज नहीं है कि आप बोले कि मैं 65 हूँ, अब तो मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता. नहीं, देयर इज ऑलवेज अ बिगनिंग. आप योग कभी भी शुरू कर सकते हैं, तो दिसंबर एंड. सो 21 जून इज़ द डे, वर्ल्ड योगा डे. अगर आपने कभी योग प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया, शुरुआत कीजिए और आपको बेनिफिट्स तो मिलेंगे ही उसके.
थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.
तो आप किस तरह से खुद को फिट रखना पसंद करते हैं? किस तरह से आप खुद को डाइट में रखते हैं या फिर फिट रखते हैं?
वेल यहाँ तो हम योगा की बात करेंगे, योगा बुक लॉन्च के लिए आए हैं. तो मनीष इज़ माई योगा इंस्ट्रक्टर एंड ही मेक्स मी डू योगा थ्राइस और 4 times a week. एंड वही मेरे फिटनेस का जरिया, बिकॉज इफ यू मेंटली फिट आई थिंक दैट्स हाउ यू स्टे फिट, एंड योगा इज़ द बेस्ट वे टू बी मेंटली फिट. I started 5 years back and Payal had come to one of my outdoors. Payal is Manish's wife and वहाँ पर मेरी मुलाकात हुई उनसे. तो मैंने एक ट्रायल सेशन किया उनके साथ. उसके बाद धीरे धीरे मतलब कभी रोका ही नहीं. उसके बाद 5 years हो गए, अभी तक मैं योगा कर रहा हूँ. As I said 2010 and योग भक्त because it just जो भी आपके प्रॉब्लम्स हो, आपके मतलब आप उनके साथ डील करना, आपके लिए उनके साथ डील करना आसान हो जाता है इफ़ यू आर इनटू योगा, बिकॉज इट मेक्स यू मोर calmer, makes you make better decisions and think clearly rather than being cluttered and being anxious all the time. I think योगा आपको सतर्क बनाता है.
बड़े हिंदी
आज भी एकदम फिट लगते हैं, तो उनकी फिटनेस का राज
किनका?
योगा है आपके फिटनेस.
Yeah, he also does yoga, but he does more breathing, kind of breathing exercises. He's not so much into the stretching and all the asanas that I do, but he's more into jogging and he's more into gymming and वो सब कुछ करते हैं.
आपकी फैमिली में और कोई है जो योगा करता है?
My sister does hot yoga, but it's different from the yoga I do. She also does yoga.
अच्छा, बचपन में कभी ऐसा हुआ कि आपके डैडी आपको योगा सिखाते हो, ऐसी कोई मेमोरी जो आप हमारे साथ शेयर करना चाहें?
नहीं, उन्होंने कभी ऐसे सिखाया नहीं मुझे, पर हमेशा बोला कि करो, शुरू करो, why don't you start, it'll help you, so I have started. मैंने कोई प्लान नहीं किया. कल संडे है, मैं छुट्टी लूँगा. Yeah, you will come? Okay, then I can do yoga.
शायद कल कुछ डिफरेंट आप सिखाओगे कल बहुत.
all over the world are doing different. We do the same
ये
every day.
मुझे
So
हमेशा
nothing but
मतलब
different for
नया
us.
ही सिखाते हैं. Every time there are new asanas, there are new stretches. तो we have a new day every day.
बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम हो चुका है स्क्रीन पे दिखने आपके अपकमिंग बहुत लगते हैं. शूटिंग कंप्लीट हो चुकी है.
Yeah, shooting is over, dubbing is over. One will come probably September, one will come November. मस्ती ज़्यादा है, क्या खुले हम.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. एक्चुअली मैं स्पेसिफिकली नहीं बोल सकती हूँ कि मैं ऐसे ट्रेन करती हूँ वैसे, लेकिन ये सब इतने डिसिप्लिन हैं और मेरी बात सुनते तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो आई लाइक ऑल माई स्टूडेंट्स एंड आई मेक श्योर इफ दे आर नॉट डिसिप्लिन आई गेट देम टू डिसिप्लिन एंड डू योगा एवरी डे. जैसे करीना कपूर वॉज वेरी डिसिप्लिन, वो बिल्कुल करती हैं योगा और आज तक करती हैं. उनको कितने साल हो गए योग करते हुए. जैसे अब तमन्ना जी हैं, वो करती हैं. तुषार कपूर हैं, वो रेगुलरली करते हैं. सोनाक्षी सिन्हा करती हैं योगा. तो उनके लिए ये सब स्टूडेंट्स बहुत डिसिप्लिन है, मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं.
अब मैं पर्टिकुलर नाम नहीं लूँगी, मैं स्टूडेंट्स लूँगी. आपके स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं?
योगा ज़्यादा करके. एक बार उन्होंने योग शुरू किया, उनको जिमिंग भूल जाते हैं. वो लाइक मेन होते हैं तो थोड़ा सा जिम ऑब्वियसली उनके लिए ज़रूरी है, लेकिन विमेन जस्ट फॉलो योगा.
जैसे आपने एक स्टूडेंट अभी करना जो भी अपकमिंग फिल्म है अच्छा नहीं खाई,
हाँ जी.
तो इस तरीके से आपने उन्हें ट्रेन किया. लाइक कुछ समथिंग जीरो फिगर है.
ज़ीरो फिगर था उस वक्त. नेशनल न्यूज़ डेफिनेटली बना क्योंकि वो पिक्चर की रिक्वायरमेंट थी, लेकिन वो ज़्यादा दिन नहीं चलता है. यू हैव टू बी हेल्दी एंड यू हैव टू ईट प्रॉपरली, यू हैव टू वर्क आउट एवरी डे. तो आपको करना पड़ता है. तो इट्स अ बेटर, फुलर बॉडी इज़ ऑलवेज बेटर. चेंजेस ज़्यादा ज़रूरी नहीं है, क्योंकि आप योग जैसे आप योग करते जाएंगे ना, आपकी बॉडी नॉर्मल रहेगी. यू विल नेवर पुट ऑन वेट, आपको नॉर्मल सी रहेगी. तो आपको ज़्यादा वर्क नहीं करना पड़ता है अपने आप पे, क्योंकि आप रोज़ योग कर रहे हो. एक तो आपके लाइफ में डिसिप्लिन होना चाहिए. एक बार आप योग शुरू करें तो उसके लिए आपको रोज़ योगा करना है, एटलीस्ट 5 days a week. तो आपको बेनिफिट्स उसके बहुत ज़्यादा मिल सकते हैं. एंड यू हैव टू व्हाट आई वुड से, फिटनेस इज़ समथिंग दैट यू हैव टू बी. और आपको ईटिंग पे आपको बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. अनहेल्दी ईटिंग नहीं कर सकते हैं. जैसे सबको पता है कि आपको फ्राइड नहीं खाना है, यू नो, ज़्यादा करके मीठा नहीं खाना है. मॉडरेशन में आप सब कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ईटिंग ऑल्सो प्लेज अ वेरी बिग रोल. जैसे अभी मैं फ़िलहाल तो तमन्ना को ट्रेन कर रही हूँ, तो उनकी भी हाल ही में पिक्चर आ रही है बाहुबली. तो आई हैव बीन ट्रेनिंग हर, सो ऑल द बेस्ट टू हर एज वेल.